So I get a lot of questions in regards to the roadmap and the certificate requirements. If you take a look at the roadmap really closely, and once you study and go through a couple of FEAs, advisor meetings, and reflect on a few domains, you're going to start to see that the structure of the roadmap and how to get your certificate is right in the roadmap itself. But let me go ahead and kind of explain the main essentials of the certificate. In order for you to complete the certificate, you need to complete 10 FEAs in each learning domain, and there are 4 learning domains. Okay, the red section is the career and graduate school awareness learning domain. The green is the financial fitness awareness domain. The orange is the socially responsible leadership learning domain, and the blue are the major declaration and advising domain. Those are the 4 main domains that the program is structured around. Each learning domain has an FEA, advisory meeting, and a domain reflection requirement. So for each of these colors, we'll call that for now, or learning domains, you're going to see, let me zoom in one of these here, you're going to see FEAs. Remember, where do you get your FEAs? You get your FEAs from the FEA database that you can download right off the website, or you can get them by checking your email every Friday at 10 o'clock. We send out the email, and you always will have the FEAs for the following week, so you can't miss out on FEA opportunities. So for each FEA, there's a requirement. Okay, in this case, it says complete 2 FEAs to earn 2 FEA credits. Okay, as I said before, there's also an advisor meeting requirement. All right, here it is right here, and there's also a domain reflection requirement that's right here. This is the same for all of the other learning domains. Okay, I'll go ahead and use another one as an example. You can see that there is a major declaration advising domain, FEAs. It says here, complete the advising preparation questionnaire, which is on the online roadmap if you haven't completed already, to get 2 FEA credits, and you're done with that requirement. There's an advising requirement for this domain. Meet with an academic advisor. You do that, you're done. And you reflect on the major declaration advising domain. So after you've met with your advisor and after you did your FEAs, you just reflect on what you learned. Again, all this stuff is on the online roadmap, and it takes you through the process very easily. I do want to point out that the SRL domain, if you notice and you take a look at your roadmap, does not have, let me zoom in here, does not have a advising requirement. That's because there are no advisors. All right, rather than have you meet with a socially responsible leadership advisor that doesn't exist, we have you do a short activity and then reflect on the activity and the FEAs that you have attended. Remember that the socially responsible leadership is the only domain that requires 4 FEA credits. The rest of the domains only require 2. So if you download the database ahead of time and plan it out, you can easily get at least 6 out of the 6 out of the 10 done very, very quickly. And again, it has directions on here. So that's one point I want to make about these learning domains. Once you're done with all of these domains, the requirements and the reflections, all you have to do next is go to the middle, zoom in here, is go to the middle and choose your track. Okay, choose your track and say why, and you're done with the program. Again, all this stuff is on the online roadmap in the website. So make sure you go to the left hand side of the panel of the website, click on online roadmap, pick which domain you want to complete, and you just go from there. Okay. one thing that I also want to make note is that if you have met with your faculty or any type of faculty in regards to your major, okay, let me scroll in here. If you met with any faculty here, I know sometimes if faculty are considered advisors, you can put that in here for the meet with the academic advising requirements, okay? So just wanted to point that out as we move forward. And that's it, y'all. That's pretty much what this tutorial is about today. Again, just to review, you want to go to the online roadmap, and click on there, and here is where you're going to log in all your information, okay? And make sure that you do that so we can keep track, we can get you going in the program, and you will have something to share with college advisors for graduate school and jobs, okay? Again, if you have any questions, visit the office in Suite 304 Lincoln Park, LPC, or you can give me a call at 773-325-7325, or you can email us at paths.paul@gmail.com. Talk to you soon.